Hi, I'm going to show how to add an alarm on the 100 and the minus 100 line on the Woodie CCI yellow line. What you do is you add an indicator called Z sub const. What it does is it subtract from any place on any line on the chart a constant. The constant I'm going to subtract is 100, and the line I'm going to use to subtract from the 100 is the line CCI3. That's the yellow line on the Woodie CCI chart. And that creates oscillator, that's that line minus 100. And I'm going to draw that, so just for example, on subchart 6, just for you to see what it does. And every time, that's a zero line right there, and these are the points the yellow line is crossing the 100, right there, right there, right there, right there. You can edit this line, add an alarm, crossing zero line, then every time this line is crossed in and out, coming up and coming down, you're going to get the alarm. To do the other way, the minus 100, what you do is, again, add, you can go to Z sub and subtract minus 100, or you can go to the Z add and add 100. The Z add does the addition instead of subtraction. Add 100 on the line 3, and let's say on subchart, oops, oh, okay, on subchart 5, and oh, they're all together there. Let me put this Woodie CCI on subchart 4. Then you have this indicator here, the Z add, showing when the minus 100 is crossed, here, 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 and this sub is showing when the plus 100 is crossed, and you add an alarm there on the Z add constant too. Then you're going to get alarms here, 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 again here, again here, and here, and here, every time those lines cross it. If you don't, then if you want to hide all these lines, what you do, you edit this indicator, put the subchart 1, edit this indicator, put the subchart 1, and just don't show them. Do not show, do not show. And you're not seeing any line there, but they are there. And every time the yellow line crosses the plus 100, or every time it crosses the minus 100, going in or out, you're going to get alarm. To adjust the sound of the alarm, you can go to Utilities, Global Settings, Sound Alarms, and select a WAV file right there. Normally you have WAV files on the Windows Media folder right here. I'm going to get a da-da. Then every time the alarm hits is da-da-da. And also you can, what happened here? Well, also you can change the sound per chart. And this chart you can go and put a different sound too, if you want, on the alarms. Just same thing, instead of the da on this chart, I'm going to use the ringing. And this chart is going to be ringing, and all the charts will be da-da, and that's why we do this.